Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to easily set up two-step verification for your Gmail account using the Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose Manage your Google account. Next, swipe over to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see two-step verification. Tap that. Now tap Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your password again to verify it's really you. Go ahead and do that. Then enter your phone number. And don't worry, it's safe. Google will only use it to just keep your account secure. Just make sure you're not using a Google Voice number. After that, tap Send to get a verification code. Once you receive the code via text, type it in and tap Next. Finally, just tap Turn On and that's it. Your Gmail account is now protected with two-step verification. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.